snored the day we met. My snoring has never changed. It's remained constant. Her reaction is what has changed dramatically. Because when we were dating, she said my snoring was adorable. Those were her words, ladies and gentlemen. But that's when she was trying to lure me in, right? When she was a penis flytrap. But then, once we got married, the snoring wasn't cute anymore. On the honeymoon, she started with a nudge. And over time, the nudge began to shove. And now she throws an elbow that would get her thrown out of a hockey game. I swear to God. 2 weeks ago, I'm sound asleep and I'm snoring. She pinched my nostrils together, which is attempted murder, and it's bullshit.